The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over South Beloit, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Elkhorn, Delavan, South Beloit, Milton, Clinton, Sharon, Darien, Richmond, Newark, Tiffany, Abels Corners, Tibbetts, Allens Grove, Millard, Avalon, Shapir, Afton, and Emerald Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no